Okay, followers, students, now that we are done with adjusted cash book in our video 2, so the next thing is to prepare the bank reconciliation statement for the period that ended September 2019. So the first thing we do is to take our cash book balance, the new balance, the adjusted cash book balance of 129,800. So from there we add unpresented checks. Okay, we add unpresented checks. These are checks that are drawn but have not yet been presented to the bank for encashment by the time the reconciliation is done, or by the time the statement is issued. So when we go back and look at what was credited in the cash book and then is not debited on the banker statement, you'll find that Jimmy, Harriet, Martin, and Manda, their checks, yes, they were issued, but they can't be traced on the banker statement. So we refer to them as unpresented checks. So Jimmy 6,000, Harriet 4,000, Martin 2,000, and Manda 1,000, and all is in shillings. So this gives us 13,000. Remember, it's add, so we add it to our balance as per adjusted cash book. So we get 142,800. So this figure 142,800 we less uncredited checks. Yes, these are the checks in the cash book that have been recorded on debit side or as received, but they don't reflect on the credit side of the banker statement. In other words, they are like deposits in transit. So when you check on the debit side of our cash book, original cash book, you'll find a check from Tibeire of 4,000, then Stella 34,000, Martin 13,000, and then Joel 2,000. Yeah, they are reflecting on the debit side of the cash book, but are not yet on the banker statement. So the total of this is 53,000. And we are saying we are lessing it, subtracting it. So we are going to less 53,000 from 142,800. And guess what is the balance? The balance is 89,800. So this balance, when we get the total unpresented checks, the total of unpresented checks and the balance as per adjusted cash book, and then we less uncredited checks, what we get, that total must be similar to the balance as per banker statement. So members, when I scroll up and we go to our bank statement, you'll find that the 89,800 was the closing balance of the bank statement. So it is similar, or it is same as